Hi everyone at Excel Church. I am excited, super excited to be coming to do my show with you guys on the 14th of March. I've done Bob's Not My Uncle in Melbourne, Australia, in America, all over the UK, but I am super excited about coming to Bilston and doing it with you guys. It is going to be a laugh, it's going to be a lot of fun. Get your tickets, get your world there, make sure you come.
In just a few weeks' time, we're coming here to RSA Academy in Tipton for our next Excel Unite service, and it's going to be Mother's Day, the 22nd of March. So our 9:30 and 11:45 services are joining together. The service will be at 11 a.m. As you can see, there's plenty of parking spaces here, but if you don't have your own transport, then there will be a minibus shuttle service leaving from church. But if you want a space on that, you need to book in. There's going to be all kinds of good stuff going on here at 11 a.m. on the 22nd. We're going to have Chippo is going to be bringing our word before us. That's going to be brilliant. We've got a full Kid Shape program, and there's going to be some special surprises for our mothers as well. We hope you can join us for next Excel Unite on the 22nd of March.
Our annual Church Weekend Away Strength Will Rise is happening at the end of May. So if you're booked in already, then make sure you make your final payment by the 1st of March. And if you're not booked in but you're interested, then speak to Heather or a member of our welcome team and we'll be able to give you more information. There's about 200 people coming already and there's still accommodation available, so make sure you get some information about it.
Excel Unite service, we're going to be taking a special offering for a brand new sound system. So take some time out in the next couple of weeks to pray about what you can give, and then come prepared on the day to give to our special offering for a sound system at Excel Unite.
That's all for Excel News this week. If you want any more information, then head to our website, get us on social media or speak to one of our welcome team members.